Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is: I own a local chiropractic office just outside Nashville, Tennessee. It's a USA state, so let me add T in USA. Okay, my campaign goal is leads conversions max is my bidding strategy. Basically, a 5 mile radius around my office. I use Google Keyword Planner to find all the relevant chiropractic search terms like chiropractor near me, pediatric chiropractor, etc. I found over 260, so I uploaded them all that I felt I offered in my office. I'm using phrase keywords only and 100 negative phrase keywords to prevent other chiropractic clinics and search terms. I do not want to show up like animal chiropractor or cheap chiropractor. Okay, so my quality scores are poor across the board, and I haven't had one conversion lead form fill out since I started. My ad spent at 55 a day. I have been running for 8 days right now, looking for some pointers. I think something is wrong. I appreciate any help you can give me. Okay, yeah, a lot is wrong over here. So if you're looking to run Google Ads for chiropractic, you may need to do some, optimization. So my first strategy is to work around on your landing page. Okay, that is going to be the winning page because you are spending money to land on your landing page. So work around in your landing page, form have a form, uh, high quality CTA call to actions, convincing them people to sign up for you, explaining them details, all without scrolling, maximum details along with pricing if possible. Amazing landing page and amazing offer is the first thing in Google Ads campaign. So after this, because you said that you have added all your 260 keywords like you have told over here into one, I recommend you to segment them. Okay, segment your campaign into different ad groups. Okay, for instance, you can have a ad group for near me keywords. For near me keywords, you can have a different for pediatric, different for different ad group for different psyche. Okay, over here what I want to tell you with psyche is you need to understand the intent of the user. Okay, for different intent, rather, intent, every intent is different. Someone searching for cheap chiropractic is different something with someone searching for chiropractic near me. So every intent is different. So organize your ad groups with different intent. With 260 keywords, I would ideally be having 20 to 30 ad groups, and each with a customized ad for those 8 to 10 keywords in my ad group. Okay, if you do this, this will also help you in your quality score. Like you told, like your quality score is lower, so this will also help you in your quality score. Okay, that is also very good. Like you said that your quality score poor across the board, so work around on this as well. So that is going to be a lot of help for you. Also, there is a very important thing is what kind of ad you are using. There is a tool of a Karoya which can help you in explaining how you can make your ad more appealing. And this is a sample ad where I'm using multiple extensions, and if I do not use these extensions, and you can see that this is a one simple boring ad. Now to make it more attractive, now to make it more appealing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add extensions on here. Add extensions to your like side link extensions, call extensions, or call out or call location extension. Location is very important because you're targeting 5 mile radius, so people get to know what your address is. Also show advertiser rating, also show price price rating. Okay, you can see that this ad is now much more appealing. So your ad authenticity may be relied on these factors as well. So you need to add a lot of ad extensions in each of your ad with different ad groups working around, and then you are seeing that your conversion strategies maximize bidding. Okay, your conversion strategy should be bidding strategy uh, should be maximize clicks. Okay, because we do not have any conversions right now, so you need to work around any conversion first, get some conversion, then we may change the bidding strategy. So the bidding strategy right now should be maximize clicks or manual CPC. Okay, these should be your CPC with highly optimized landing page and highly optimized campaign, and a few of the tweaks I suggested. I definitely think that your Google Ads situation can be improved. So if you're looking for professional help, I hope although this answers your question, but still in case if you need a professional help, me and my team can help you in creating an awesome Google Ads campaign. We can also help in auditing, optimizing different Google Ads campaigns. So just let us know. You can find us in the description of this video. We have different links over there through which you can hire me and my team, and we'd love to work with you around. With you guys around. And in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification. And in case if you still have any questions left regarding this, so you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.